evening, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for being here. Hope everybody's doing well. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Sorry, it's been a while since I've uploaded. Been a little busy with work. Actually, a lot busy with work, which gives me the ability to afford these goofy toys I've got around here. So, just wanted to share a quick update. We got some parts for the Audi R8. I got some paddle shifters from DSG Paddles, which will be a link below. Very happy with those, and you'll see the install real quick on that, just a short one, but a little bit of content and a quick update on the GTO. So glad you guys are here. Welcome back to the channel. Those of you who are new, please hit that like button and subscribe, and don't hesitate to comment below. And again, you'll see some information on DSG here in a minute, and on the paddles I got for the paddle shifters. Pretty cool, and hope everybody's doing well. Please again hit that like, subscribe, and please don't hesitate to comment and share around. So I want to share with you guys what we got for the Audi. I am really impressed with this. This is DSG Paddles. It's dsg-paddles.com, and I'll share a link below in the description. But look what we got for the Audi. So these are exceptionally cool for $99. So these are the paddle shifters extensions. If you are familiar with the Audi R8, the shifters are literally this size, and it kind of bothers me a little bit from driving it. Just kind of constantly trying to reach around and find the paddle. So I got these. They're easy to put on, just 3M tape. And the first thing my wife said is, how are those going to stay on there? Well, you're not pushing the paddle, you're pulling the paddle. So hopefully that 3M tape will hold on there, and I may give you a review here in 30 days and let you know if I have a problem. But there's the right side, and there's the left side, and I'm going to throw them on here in a minute, and I'll show you how they look. So there, as you can see, those are the dinky little paddles that are on there now. And holding the steering wheel normally, they're kind of hard to grab. So first thing I'm going to do is clean them with some isopropyl alcohol and get the backs of these clean, and we'll stick them on here. So as you can see, the paddles are actually have got concave curve in them there, and as you can see there, DSG even went so far as to make the proper shape on the paddle. So mine's a Gen 1. I say they've got a huge selection all the way through, I think 21 on these paddle extensions. So very cool. We'll get them on here and I'll show you what they look like. So there's the back side of the paddles. There's the tape off, ready to go on. Biggest pain in the butt so far has been getting the 3M tape off of the inside of these things, but that's done. And they are real carbon fiber, and they really do feel nice. And we'll get them on here in a second. I'll show you the finished product. So there you go. There's the paddles installed. And I say the other ones probably weren't horrible, but if you're turning lock to lock and having to kind of try and feel for that little, probably what is 1.5 inch paddle versus now these 5-inch paddles, they are very good. There is what they look like from the back side, top side, side. So very happy. Thanks to DSG Paddles. Again, I'll put the link below. Highly recommend, and for $99 including shipping, well worth it. I ordered them on the 29th, and today is the 13th, and they got here in 2 weeks. So very impressed with shipping, very impressed with the customer service. I put the order in on the 29th and got confirmation on the 30th that they were on their way. So very cool. And here's a quick update on the GTO coming, guys. All the carbon matches. Well, it doesn't look like much there, but there has been a lot done on the GTO, guys. So as you can see there, we got all the front pulleys on. There's the timing mark set at 0. Got the radiator in, the shroud in, carburetor's on, distributor's ready to go in. I stuck a screwdriver down the hole for the distributor and got the oil pressure up. We got brand new plugs in, oil's changed. new STP oil filter. One of the hoses is run for the heater. I got to get another one a little bit bigger to run from the water pump back to the other side of the wall. Alternator's on, alternator's wired. I've got the regulator in and that's wired. We've got the master cylinder in there. The starter motor is in and wired. Battery's in. I've got the negative side of the cable in. I've got the positive cable actually in my truck ready to go in. And I just decided tonight I've been waiting for some exhaust manifolds, and I found some on Ram Air Restoration, so I'm going to order those tomorrow and rush delivery them. Hopefully they can be here in a couple days. But she'll be pretty much ready to start. Still struggling with the windows and the windshield, and the back glass is supposed to be here today. I didn't hear today from my glass company, but hopefully I'll hear from them. This yellow wire sticking up here goes to the coil, which goes on here. So the coil wire is ready to go in. I've got the vacuum advance line ready to go on to the port side of the carburetor. So that's all ready to go. And she's looking like she'll be ready to start here as soon as I get some manifolds. I was going to stick the headers on here to get it started. But I'm going to wait because I got to lift the motor up a little bit off the motor mounts to get the headers in, and I don't want to do that just temporarily. So she's coming along, making a lot of progress, and I will get you guys an update on the GTO as soon as we're ready to get it started. So stay tuned. I'm going to try and have it done here in about 2 weeks, and I think I'm going to actually hire somebody to do the glass because I've just gotten frustrated with it, and I just don't know how to make it to get it in here properly. And I've got all the new excuse me, I've got all the new pieces for the pads and stops for here. I've got all the new weather stripping for inside and outside. And once I get the windows done, then I can get the side panels in the back corners and get the seats in. This I've sprayed with clear coat so it won't rust again. So I sprayed everything down. I kept it that way because it was original. It's original paint, etc., etc. So that's all done. So she's coming along, and please stay tuned for updates. Again, guys, thanks for subscribing. Please hang out with us. I've got a little bit of Corvette stuff going on the red Corvette as soon as I get a couple things done on the GTO, and we'll get that all going. So look forward to seeing you again soon. Stay tuned, and all the best to everybody, and we'll catch you soon. Bye for now.
What?